All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at MTV. So it's been a long time since we've looked at MTV multivac here on the channel. Ultimately, though, it looks good right now from the high to the low. You can see this sideways channel here, this nice accumulation that has been taking place. And we saw a couple of others do the same thing. The ones off the top of my head I can remember that's still in this accumulation phase is Perp, and then I believe Chainlink did the same thing, and then once it broke through the top, it went up 100%. So MTV here could be on the verge of a nice pump coming up very soon here. So we're just going to keep it real simple. You can clearly see that from where you are right now at the middle of this channel on that white dotted line. You're sitting right here at 1-1. If you can somehow hold that and move up, your resistance, of course, would be to break that 236 on this large Fibonacci here on the 3-day chart at 0017. That is a 50% move. If you can break through that, then you would have your 382 in play here at 0029 and a potential 158% move up on MTV here. So one thing I would point out on the chart here, the stock RSI is resetting here on the 3-day candles. So we'll see if we end up holding the middle here, we may get a nice pump to come up here and retest that 1.7 price area here. Looking over at the Heikin-Ashi candles, they are printing red right now. So we'll see. I mean, it's going to depend on if you hold here or not. If you take out this middle here where you're at that 1.1 price area, then of course you're going to come back down potentially to the bottom of the channel. But I am going to point out one more thing that is bullish on MTV here. So potentially a 35% drop back down to the bottom of the channel. But as long as you're staying in this channel, I would say you're good to do something like this. I don't know how long it's going to stay in here, but you know, just keep an eye on those prices there. But one thing I would point out before we end this video here is just notice here on the chart that once it tagged, let me zoom this back out, but once you tag the bottom down here, you kind of held the middle, you dipped down below, but you can see the most recent price action. After you dipped your head above that resistance level, you can see from back here, it is constantly making a higher high, and now it is holding the middle. So you can see what is being formed here. It is this bullish market structure here. So if you can maintain holding the middle here, you'll keep that bullish market structure with those higher lows. And then we'll see if we can break out above that first resistance level here at 1.7, and then maybe we'll get that spike up to the 382 and potentially even higher. You know, if this thing is going to break out at some point and go to the 618 retracement here, you're looking at about a 530% move on MTV here. So not a bad play in my opinion. I'm keeping MTV and I'm keeping Perp on my radar, because if they're going to perform just like Chainlink and a couple of others off of this accumulation here, they may be getting ready to go soon. So we will leave it at that on MTV. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.